Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Endurance Duo. I am here again with a new topic that is on MAT. So let's move on to the topic. What is MAT? MAT stands for Minimum Alternate Tax. It has been introduced by the Finance Act 1987 and came into effect from assessment year 1988 to 1989. It is applicable to all the companies including foreign companies and calculated under section 115JB of the income tax. The basic reason for the introduction of the MAT is to ensure minimum level of taxation for all domestic and foreign companies. पहले क्या होता था, the huge companies that make huge profits pay the dividend to their shareholders and pay minimum tax by taking advantage of various exemptions and deductions. So to avoid this, government has introduced this section 115JB, which says about minimum alternate tax, that is company have to pay a minimum tax whether there is a profit or not. So MAT is applicable to all the companies including foreign companies. So now we will understand what are the tax rates. Every company should pay higher of the tax, that is tax liability as per the normal provisions and tax liability as per the MAT provision. Means कि कंपनी को एक बार दोनों प्रोविजन से टैक्स लाइबिलिटी निकालना होगा, फिर जो भी हायर होगा तो वो टैक्स पेबल होगा बाय द कंपनी. दैट इज टैक्स लाइबिलिटी एज पर नॉर्मल प्रोविजन 30% प्लस 4% एडुकेशन सेस प्लस सरचार्ज if applicable, and this 30% will be 25% plus 4% if gross turnover or receipt is up to 400 crore for the previous year 1918, and the tax rate under MAT provision is 15% of the book profit plus 4% education cess. This 15% was 18.5% prior to the previous year financial year 2019-20. Okay, let's move on. So how we will calculate MAT? MAT is calculated is 15% of the book profit. So book profit होता क्या है? Book profit means the net profit as shown in the profit and loss account. But this net profit is increased or decreased by some values. So we will understand what are the values which are added to the net profit and what are the values are deducted from the net profit. So with the amount which are debited to the PL account is added, like income tax paid or transfer made to any reserve, any depreciation, amount for deferred tax, provision for uncertain liabilities, or any expense relating to exempt income under section 10, 11 and 12. So we will understand what are the values which are deducted from the net profit are the amount from any withdrawn from any reserve, or amount of loss brought forward, or unabsorbed depreciation, whichever is less. जो कम होगा वो वाला अमाउंट डिडक्ट होगा. अमाउंट ऑफ डेफर्ड टैक्स इफ इट इज क्रेडिटेड टू PL अकाउंट, एंड एनी अमाउंट ऑफ इनकम टू विच एग्जेम्प्ट इनकम 10, 11 एंड 12. मतलब जो भी अमाउंट डेबिट होगा वो ऐड होगा और जो अमाउंट क्रेडिट होगा PL अकाउंट में वो डिडक्ट होगा. ओके, सो अब क्या है, एक मैट क्रेडिट का भी कंसेप्ट है. इसमें क्या होता है, टैक्स पेड एज पर मैट कैलकुलेशन माइनस इनकम टैक्स पेबल अंडर नॉर्मल प्रोविजन. तो वो जो डिफरेंस होगा वो अपना मैट क्रेडिट होगा, बट देयर विल बी नो इंटरेस्ट ऑन दैट टैक्स क्रेडिट बाय द डिपार्टमेंट. ओके, सो वी विल अंडरस्टैंड दिस कंसेप्ट बाय वन एग्जाम्पल. If ABC Limited has a taxable income as per normal provision is 40 lakhs and book profit is 75 lakhs. So tax payable as per normal provision will be 30 lakhs per 30% plus 4% education cess will be 9 lakhs 36,000. And tax liability as per MAT provision क्या होगा, 75 book profit का 15%, तो 75 lakhs का 15% plus 4% surcharge, that is 11 lakhs 70,000. So the tax payable by the company will be higher of this, that is 11 lakhs 70,000. So the difference amount which is between the MAT provision and the normal provision that is 2,34,000 will be our MAT credit, and this credit is carried forward for 15 assessment year. पहले this was 10 assessment year, but now this is for 15 assessment year. Okay, so let's try to understand with an help of example. See, in the assessment year 2012 and 13, tax payable under MAT is 8 lakhs and normal provision is 5 lakhs. So actual tax payable क्या होगा, whichever is higher, that is 8 lakhs, and जो difference between है 8 lakhs minus 5 lakhs, 3 lakhs will be our tax credit. Second year 13-14 का 9 lakhs under MAT provision, 6.5 under normal provision. So the tax payable by the company will be 9 lakhs and the difference between will be 2.5 lakhs, and it will be added to the tax credit and it will comes to 5.5 lakhs. Again in next year the same goes on, but in assessment year 2015-16 tax payable under MAT is 7 lakhs and normal provision में अपना 10 lakhs है. So the actual tax payable 7 lakhs अपने मैट के थ्रू दे देंगे, बिकॉज अपना मैट क्रेडिट अभी कितना 8.5%, तो हम लोग 7% मैट क्रेडिट से टैक्स पेबल किए और जो डिफरेंस बच गया 3 lakhs का वो वी विल टेक फ्रॉम क्रेडिट. सो आवर बैलेंस विल बी इन टैक्स क्रेडिट विल बी 8.5 minus 3, that is 5.5 lakhs. In next year 16-17 same, tax payable under MAT is 6 lakhs and normal provision में 11 lakhs. So we will pay, actual tax payable is 6 lakhs as per MAT, and the difference which is जो भी कम है वो we will take from MAT credit, that is 5 lakhs. So अभी भी अपना tax MAT credit में 50,000 अभी भी बच गया है. So actual tax payable क्या होता है, higher of tax under MAT और normal provision. लेकिन जो tax MAT credit होता है वो क्या होता है, tax payable under MAT minus tax payable as per normal provision, and this MAT credit is set off. हम लोग 15 assessment years तक हम लोग उसका credit set off ले सकते हैं. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and subscribe the channel. Share with your friends. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. और याद रखना, ज़िंदगी हमें हर पल एक सीख देती है, जो इसे समझ जाता है वही आगे बढ़ पाता है. थैंक यू. इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज रिगार्डिंग दिस, then feel free to reach us at sajda.db@gmail.com and follow us on Instagram, Endurance Duo. Thank you.